Just offering you a little tip today. Might help you with your garage door if you're hearing some kind of strange noise coming from your garage door. There is maintenance that has to be done to your garage door regularly. It has to be done about 4 times a year. I'd like to show you these products so that you can do it yourself and take better care of your garage door. These products are sold in your big box stores. You can purchase them there. Probably a can will last about, I'd say a year or so if you do it regularly like you're supposed to. It's in the owner's manuals. The first product is this. It says garage doors right on it. We use it. It's a very good product. We also have them here at the store. Another product that also works just as well as this one. It's by 3M. That's a great product. And finally, this one here. This is what we call our Magic. That's a great product. Each one of these has specific uses. For instance, this is the first step in the 2-step process. This goes on the rollers and all of the hinges. Most importantly, you want to coat your springs and the bearings up above. There's 3 bearings, one in the middle by the spring and one on each end. Those need to be coated regularly. That way you'll have no problems, no sticking. But most importantly, the hinges and rollers. The rollers have to float in the hinges. If not, you're going to hear popping and the door can even jump from side to side. Then, when you use the Magic, this is what you coat over top of it. Make sure you have a shop towel in your hand because you're going to see black running down the door itself from the hinges. So you're going to want to wipe that off. It's not bad, it's not harmful. It's just getting in all the machining of the hinges and you want to make sure that you wipe it off. Then you can cover it with this, and you don't need to wipe this off. You don't want to wipe it off. Leave it on. Operate your door a few times, and within a couple days, or even maybe after you're done, and you operate your door probably 4 or 5 times, you're going to notice that door is going to be whisper quiet, and you won't have to worry about it again. But remember, your door has to be serviced because it's such a large moving object. And today, you use your door as the main entrance to your home, not your front door. So, take good care of your door, use these products, and you won't have to call anybody for any extra service that's not needed. So please take care of your door. Hope these tips were good.